back to an anger. In today's video, we are going to be watching the new diss track on Craycraft called Buried Alive. Everyone, please smash that like button and that subscribe button. And let's get into this video. Let's go. Alright. Lucky fire. Wait, caylus cusses? That's crazy. Yeah, actually, no. That's crazy. Forest Run. But okay, this one's kind of corny. What the heck? Steak Park is... What the hell? Okay, so literally, what is going on right now? They got mad because he stole that Dragon Killer, or what the fuck it's called, play that game. Yeah, and guys, get a job. Get a job. What the? You're literally older than him, are you stupid? Oh! Sus? Big Jack, Big Macs are low-key really good, bro. Try a Big Mac, bro. It could change your life. Bag. Here's a Tic Tac. That's crazy. Lower ass. I'm nice. I'm about to collapse. That's crazy. That's literally Thing's one pack. He has a one pack. You stupid. What? What? What's going on? That's crazy! That's actually what the? That is crazy. Wait, I need to look this one. Who has more followers? Let's look at Steak. Steak has 13 mil, and then caylus has 19, and then Fulton. I know Fulton has more than Steak. Yeah, and then what about Creek? Creek has more than Fulton and Steak, but caylus has more. Alright, everyone, that's gonna be the end for today's video. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.